In this video, we are going to see that if you come across the error of potential Windows Update database error, which is detected whenever you're trying to update Windows or you're trying to run some utility. So here is a quick fix for you. So first of all, what we need to do is just open up the start menu and just right here, services, open this up. And once we have this open, we need to search for Windows Update. Now it's very simple to find Windows Update in all of these services because this is perfectly aligned in the alphabetical sequence. So all we have to do is just go to the W section and Windows Update. We need to find that Windows Update. Here it is. Just double click here and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. If it is already set to automatic, the next thing that we need to check is service status. Make sure it is already running. If it is, we need to refresh that. So click on stop and after that just click on start, click OK. And once we close that, again open up the start menu and right here File Explorer, just go ahead and click on that. And then we will go to this PC and wherever your Windows is installed, mostly it's C drive, just go ahead and click on that and go to the Windows folder. And here we have to find the software distribution. Software distribution starts with S, so we will just press simply S on our keyboard and it should take you to the S section where we will find software distribution. Just double click on that. And then we will go to the data store folder. Here it is. Select all of them, just pressing Ctrl A or manually selecting that and just delete it all together. Click on continue. It might show you this message. So sometimes you might need to restart the PC or otherwise, whatever is possible, just try to delete that all. And after that, just close out of here and restart your PC once so that it can be effective. And hopefully after that, you can simply try to update the Windows and it should have no problem or no error detected. So pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and I will see you in the next one.